Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Area of Trapezoid. That's right, today we're going to be talking about how to find the area of a trapezoid, which so happens to be located right on your screen. And remember, the area refers to how many squares, in this case square inches, can fit inside a shape with no gaps or overlaps. Now, as you can see, it's very hard to draw a picture of this, so sometimes we just have to look at the dimensions. So what we have here is we have bases. These are the parallel lines. We have a base of 3 inches, and we have a base that is 6 inches long. And we have a height, which is the distance between the bases of 2 inches. Now, as you can see, this very trapezoid, has been flipped on its side. A lot of times we'll see trapezoids that are written like that, but it's okay to flip it. It's okay to rotate it. So let's go ahead and see if we can find the area using this formula, despite the fact that it is flipped on its side. So, as you can see, we have a formula of 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Now, let's go ahead and plug in what we know. We know that we have to take half of whatever is in those parentheses. The first one is base 1. Well, we can choose either 3 for base 1 or 6 for base 1. Let's read left to right and choose 3. So we're going to say base 1 is 3. Then we have to add base 2, which is going to be our 6. 3 plus 6 in the parentheses, and then we have to multiply all of that by a height of 2 inches, because there is 2 inches between the bases. Now, it's just a matter of order of operations. So let's begin with the parentheses. First, we're going to begin with 3 plus 6. Well, everybody knows that 3 plus 6 is 12. No, it's 9. Oh, gosh, don't quote me on that. Whew, it's been a long day. I've been at work. I need to take a break. Anyways, I caught myself. Yay, caught myself. So now we have 1/2 of 9, not to be confused with 12, and then we're multiplying that by 2. Really, we're multiplying them all together, 1/2 times 9 times 2. I just know that when I multiply by 1/2, I'm really dividing by 2, which poses a problem here because if I divide 9 by 2 or multiply it by 1/2, I'm going to get a decimal. So why not use the commutative property of multiplication to reorder this so that it's nicer, more easier. Okay, we're not in a grammar class right now. So how about we say 1/2 of 2, or 1/2 times 2, and then we multiply it by 9. Because remember, that commutative property thing allows us to multiply things in a different order, and we'll still get the same answer. Now, let's do 1/2 times 2, which is really dividing by 2. So half of 2 is 1, which is really nice, because that just leaves us 1 times 9. And everybody knows that 1 times 9 is 42. Just kidding. Whoa, calm down. 1 times 9 is 9 inches squared. And that, theoretically, is the area. Now, having said that, let's check and make sure we're correct, because as you can see, sometimes even teachers make mistakes. But that's why we double-check our work, and in this case, I have conveniently prepared the answer for you. 3, 2, 1, boom! Yes, that's right. The answer is, in fact, 9 inches squared. I do hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and good luck.